Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our IELTS preparation class. Today, we are going to learn how to write an effective IELTS writing task to essay in a simple and easy way. Our topic today is, every year several languages die out. Some people think that this is not important because life will be easier if there are fewer languages in the world. This is a very important and common IELTS discussion opinion essay in this type of question. We need to discuss both views and clearly give our own opinion. So before writing, we must understand the topic carefully.
The question says that many languages disappear every year. Some people think this is okay because fewer languages make communication easier. People can travel and work more easily, and the world becomes more connected. However, others believe losing languages is a big problem because language is connected to culture, identity, history, and traditions. In this essay, our opinion is, although fewer languages may make communication easier, protecting languages is more important because they preserve culture and diversity.
Now let's learn the correct IELTS structure. A good IELTS writing task to essay should have 1. Introduction. Paraphrase the question. Give your opinion to body paragraph 1. Discuss the first view. Explain why fewer languages may make life easier. Give an example. 3. Body paragraph 2. Explain why languages are important. Talk about culture, identity, and traditions. Give examples. For conclusion, restate your opinion. Summarize the main idea. This structure helps students write clearly and get a better band score. Now let's look at the introduction. Introduction. It is true that many languages disappear every year. Some people believe that this is not a serious problem because life would be easier with fewer languages. However, I disagree with this view because languages are an important part of culture and identity. Now let's understand it line by line. It is true that many languages disappear every year.
This sentence introduces the topic in a formal way. Some people believe that this is not a serious problem. Here we mention the other people's opinion. However, I disagree. This is very important because we clearly show our own opinion. Always remember, in IELTS, your opinion must be clear. Main idea. Fewer languages can make communication easier. Paragraph. On the one hand, having fewer languages could make communication easier. If most people spoke the same language, it would be simpler to travel, study, and do business in different countries. This paragraph explains the advantage of having fewer languages.
Important vocabulary: communication, travel, business. International language. Example. For example, English is already used as an international language in many places. Examples make the essay stronger and more realistic. Teaching tip. In IELTS, always explain your idea clearly and then give an example.
Now we move to the second body paragraph. Main idea, when languages disappear, culture also disappears. Paragraph. On the other hand, when a language dies, a whole culture also disappears. This is a strong topic sentence. Then we explain traditions, stories, history, and ways of thinking.
Important point. Every language carries unique knowledge. For example, many tribal languages contain knowledge about nature and plants. This means language is not only words. It also protects human knowledge and culture.
The essay also says, language makes people feel proud of who they are. This means language gives people identity and confidence. If people lose their mother tongue, they may lose connection with their roots, traditions become weaker, and cultural diversity decreases. This is a very meaningful point for IELTS essays. Now let's understand the conclusion. Conclusion. In conclusion, even though fewer languages might make life easier in some ways, I believe that protecting all languages is more important. This sentence restates the opinion clearly. Then, each language is a treasure that shows the beauty of human culture. This gives a meaningful ending to the essay.
Always remember, a good IELTS conclusion should summarize the main idea, restate your opinion, and end naturally. Do not add new ideas in the conclusion.
You do not need very difficult English. Simple and clear writing can also achieve a high band score. Thank you for watching this video. If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS preparation classes. See you in the next lesson.